Oder, Aber, and These three are your COC connector, which means that verb goes at second position. Okay? And Oder means or, Aber is but, und is and. Coming to Oder first. Or Oder is used when we have alternative between two things and we have option. I want to eat this or this, like this. Okay. For example, ich nehme eine Pizza, and the next sentence is ich nehme ein sandwich. Now to connect these two sentences with Oder, one way is like this: ich nehme eine Pizza oder ich nehme ein sandwich. But whenever you are connecting with any connector, Oder und Aber, and you have the same subject and the same verb as of your Hauptsatz or your starting sentence, then you can omit these two. So instead of writing this big sentence, you can just simply write ich nehme eine Pizza oder sandwich.
You don't have to use ein, right?
No, you don't have to write subject or verb because it is same as of the starting sentence.
No, ein sandwich, that ein.
Oder ein sandwich, yes.
Okay.
The article. Or let's say ich fahre nach Berlin. Ich bleibe zu Hause. Bleibe zu Hause as in stay at home. Now in this sentence you have subject same, right? Ich fahre. Either you can mention subject or you can omit that. Ich fahre nach Berlin oder bleibe zu Hause. Okay?
Yeah.
Now the second one is your Aber. Aber is used when we contradict the first statement for contradiction. For example, I want to go to school, but I am sick. So I have contradicted the first statement like this. So let's say ich will Party machen. Ich bin müde. I want to do party, but I am tired. So ich will Party machen. And with this Aber, remember we put comma. Ich will Party machen, comma, aber ich bin müde. This takes zero position, then subject, and then verb. Coming to
Subject we have to write again, na ma'am, in this Aber?
Yes.
Okay.
With you have and it is a connector. Oh, sorry. Which connects two sentences. As in, we do not have any option, we are not contradicting, we are just connecting two sentences. For example, ich trinke Cola. Ich esse eine Pizza. Ich trinke Cola und ich esse eine Pizza. Again, zero position, first position, second position verb.
Can we skip the ish, ma'am? Because they both are common.
Yes, you can skip ish here. Und esse eine Pizza.
Mhm.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Now, do you want to take the screenshot of any topic?
No, ma'am.
Actually, I'm very confused with that. Where to use eine, die, there.
Okay, now this comes as your article part. So with nouns, we have fixed article either there, das, and die. Okay. Coming to the table, nominative is der, das, die, and die. Coming to accusative and dative, remember I told you that accusative and dative is used for object.
Yeah,
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
From this for der, in accusative
Den.
it changes to den, and for dative it is changes to dem, em. For neutral accusative it remains same, as in the rest of the accusative it remains same. But for dative it changes to dem, der, den plus n. Now you say that how do we know that whether it should be eine or ein? Coming to unbestimmt article table. Masculine is der, neutral is das, feminine is die. First of all, whenever you have a or an sense in your sentence, you will use the unbestimmt article, means this ein. Or you have, when you want to mention the pizza or the chocolate like this, so then there you will use the der, das, die and all. Coming to the unbestimmt article table with nominative, there it is ein, and only with feminine it is eine. Now, if you have any noun in German that you have written and it is die Frau, let's say two sentences, the lady and a lady. What is the lady in German?
Die Frau.
Die Frau.
Die Frau. Now, I want to use a lady, so I will be using unbestimmt article, right?
Yes, ma'am. Eine.
Now, lady article is die, right? Frau. So, unbestimmt article feminine is eine, so I will use eine Frau. If I want to use a man, it will be ein Mann. Why? Because it is der Mann. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, one question. Can you show us the example of den plus n? Dative.
Den. Yeah, plural. Den Studenten. With noun, I use n, and it means the students.
No, a proper example with subject, verb, and object.
Ich, danke, den Studenten.
Okay, the pro.
Danken is your dative verb. I thank the students.
Understood, ma'am.
Okay? Or accusative, it is same as in the ending en, and the rest remains the same ein and eine. For dative again it is same einem, em, neutral em, einem, feminine it is einer, er. Okay, and these accusative and dative case is also for your what is it? Possessive
Einem.
pronoun. Mine,
Ma'am, for-
mine, thine.
Ma'am, for kind.
Kind is same, kainam, kainam, kainer, kainen.
Okay, for same. Okay.
Yeah. Basically, the ending remain the same. En, em, er. Only the main sentence, main word changes. Ein, der, or your negative article. Okay.
Means if I'm not eating
Understood.
the pizza is the example, then how we can translate it?
What you said?
I'm not eating the pizza. Ish.
I am not eating.
Means example of kind. I think here we use the nicht, right? Ich esse nicht.
This is your bestimmt article. So write a pizza. Ich esse keine Pizza.
Right.
Any doubt?
No. Ma'am, again, I think in A2 there are superlative degrees, right? So is that compulsory?
No, not compulsory. It doesn't make any sense in your Schreiben or expression. Yes, if you want to compare anything or something like that, you can use, but it doesn't have a big impact. So it is not, we have some, what is those kind of important topics that if we use in our Schreiben or expression, it will look good. So that superlative didn't count. Just like adjective ending,
Mhm.
if you use adjective ending, a proper adjective ending, it will have a very good impact. But if you don't, it won't affect. Okay,
Okay.
it's not like if you use adjective ending, they will give you 1 marks extra, or if you don't use adjective ending, they will deduct 1 marks. No. Yes, from
Mhm.
B1, B2, and in higher levels, adjective endings play a very important role.
Mhm.
But in A2, not very much. Okay?
So, ma'am, I have one more question. For Schreiben,
Yeah.
is it compulsory to use the connectors like while and thus?
Exactly.
Because I
Very, very important.
okay
Yes.
means
Because
it.
these topic first of all it is easy. Second thing,
Mhm.
it is new to A2. Third
Mhm.
thing, in your A2 you will get sentences where you will use because, so obviously you have to use while or den.
Yeah, right. Means they will give us the
Yes.
extra marks too, right? If
Not
we write it.
really.
Okay.
Yes, but obviously you cannot make any sentence if you want to use, let's say, I want to go to supermarket because I want to buy a new phone. How do you translate this sentence?
Ich gehe
You will
auf
use
den
while,
Markt.
na?
Yeah, right.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. So from A2, use connectors. Connectors are very important rule. In your B1, you will learn so many new connectors, and in your Schreiben and expression, it is recommended to use those connectors. Fill your
Mhm.
Schreiben with connectors,
Okay.
but
And
with
if
correct verb position.
yeah, right. And ma'am, if there is one question where connectors are not needed, then do we have to use over there or not?
No, not really. See, using connectors and all totally depends on you. It doesn't like, in one Schreiben I have to use 5 times while or 10 times das. No.
Mhm.
Okay, it totally depends on you. Just like I can make my sentence without reflexive and I can make my sentence with reflexive.
Mhm.
For example, sich treffen is equals to treffen. Both means same.
Mhm.
Sich treffen, if you use, it will look good, as in wir treffen uns, and so on.
Okay.
Or if you want to use normal, wir treffen am Sonntag, it will also okay. Okay,
Got it, ma'am. Mhm.
but I will recommend that use this sich treffen.
Okay.
Yeah. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Any screenshot you want to take?
No, that recording will be provided, right? So from that.
Okay. So, any doubt, the other student?
No, ma'am.
Okay. From tomorrow, we will be starting with the exam preparation. Okay.
So, ma'am, from which book or the from your side only?
It will be from Mid Air Folge. Do you have this?
No, ma'am. I think sir has done the courier, but I have not received it. Means those books. Neither Soham.
Okay, I will ask him to provide you PDF. If by tomorrow or by today evening you didn't receive that, as in the hard copy, you can do from PDF
Yeah, sure. I have
at
the
least for
PDF.
one. Yeah. So that's okay because grammar topics are over. So we will be starting with the exam preparation. Okay.
Yeah, sure,
Okay.
ma'am. So tomorrow we'll do
Yes.
the lesson or Shravan.
That will do. As in, is there any